Very good evening, dear medicos. We are having the honor to have Dr. Avichal Rajpal with us, ranked 24 in INICT 2021. So, beta, on the behalf of DAMS family, I congrats you for such an awesome achievement.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
So, beta, after getting this awesome rank of 2-4, what was your feeling yesterday when you saw the result?
I am kind of still absorbing the news, sir. I did not expect such a rank. I knew it would be a good rank was on the way, but then I did not know it would be this like under 20, under 50 also. So it's a great feeling. Still absorbing.
So, beta, like I will be using this platform to share your success journey. Like you were our foundation student. So, how was the experience? Like you joined us in a new final in the ENTPSM Opthal Prof. So, how was your
Yes, sir.
experience for the last 3 years with DAMS family?
So the main USP I would say which DAMS has is the face-to-face classes. So we are bound to complete that particular subject in a fixed period of time, so that in a time-bound period our syllabus is also completed, and the impression of face-to-face class is that cannot be matched by other platforms. So I could, because of these classes, over a period of 2 years' time, I could complete all my subjects. All the notes were complete before my internship started.
That's
So I
great.
had no worries on that front, and I could easily revise when the internship began and try to finish as many revisions as possible.
That's great, beta. Like you started in the third year, new final.
Third,
So
that's
I will be taking this platform to just take your feedback. Okay, what was the importance of conceptual learning with self-written class notes, beta? How these self-written class notes played the important role?
so. If we write the notes ourselves, the photographic memory of your notes is embedded in your mind. That cannot be achieved by a PDF or already written hand notes. So it has to be your own handwriting. I personally have a very poor handwriting, and it is perfectly fine if you can remember uh, pictographically whatever you have written. Ki copy mein you have written it this in this corner. You remember that, and
It
in
hardly
the
make
word.
hardly make a difference if your handwriting is not good, but you have written something that is there in your
Yeah,
subconscious mind, what you feel.
I would write the notes in such a way so that the teacher's words come to my mind when I'm revising particular notes. So the class rewinds itself repeatedly, and revision is better.
So, beta, what do you recommend to your juniors, all juniors of AIMS Raipur across the country, all the other medicos listening to you? What do you feel like we should, like I'm comparing a
That's
comfort zone of taking photocopy printed notes against taking efforts coming out of your comfort, attending the lecture from 9 to 9 and writing all self-written notes? What is the importance of this, you can say, effort of coming out of the comfort?
Sir, it is difficult to, in the beginning, to sit for 12 hours and write notes, but the bottom line is it pays off. There is nothing which compares to handwritten notes, and no matter how good the set PDF or whatever you have is, handwritten notes will always be remembered for a longer period of time, and that converts into your exam when you face those questions. So it has to be handwritten. As far as possible, it should be handwritten unless somebody has a dear crunch of time. So that's what I feel. So you're not audible, sir.
I again congrats you for getting such an awesome rank of 24 in INICT examination. I will
Thank,
be using this
thank.
platform just to share your, you can say, I will be using your strategies, you how you proceed in the last 2 to 3 years. And now let us start with the like beginning. You were a foundation student, so now as a part of, you can say this, you should update how a student should proceed in the first year. Like you started your journey with us in third year, but
Yes,
now
right, sir.
can you update how we should handle the subjects like anatomy, physio, biochemistry?
Sir, I feel particularly with exams like INICET, the culmination of the 5 years of whatever you have done converts into the exam. It is not just the past year or 2 years also. It is the whole concepts built through the first year. So I feel doing first year nicely, all the recommended books which any college faculty would recommend, and just religiously studying a bit daily, I would say, not much, but just the basic books which any faculty of any college advises, just following that sincerely, and not yeah, just sincerity. I think that helps a lot. You don't have to go in a lot of depth and do a lot of study, but then a little bit of consistent study throughout first year will help build strong concepts later.
That's great, beta. And what is your opinion like using that standard textbook in the first year, second year?
Sir, standard textbooks are the main source which will build concepts because, like usually begin coaching in third year, so you rely on textbooks for the first and the second prof. So until you have concepts and you like, for example, I made it a point to read books like Robbins in second prof, no matter how I would score in the prof, because even now those concepts come to me when I read medicine or surgery. So, having a foundation of strong concept will help you come out better through the clinical subjects also. So, even though you might not fare very well, even if you have average and you are strong with your concepts, I think it comes out better in the end.
Now, beta, what was the role of like your conceptual learning of first year, second year? How it helped in the final year? Like I'm taking this opportunity from you, okay, how we should handle the final year subjects, beta.
So, a final year, particularly subjects like medicine, is basically just a add-on of what we have read in first and second year. You just have to add on the treatment part, basically. You have the pathogenesis from patho, you have the treatment for pharmacology. And we had wonderful teachers at our college through first and second prof, even before DAM, so that when we came to DAMs also and the clinical subjects in the third and fourth year, we did not have a problem because these small subjects will add up and make your final year subjects nothing new, not much new. It can be derived from them, and then little effort has to be made on these fronts.
That's great, beta. Like we should learn medicine, surgery. First, our basic pillars, first year, second year are
Yes,
strong.
has
So
to
you
be
have to
strong,
like,
right, sir?
even I repeat this statement multiple times in my lecture. Okay, medicine, surgery is nothing but
Right,
the
sir.
treatment part of first year, second year.
Right,
And
right,
you
sir.
have
Right, sir.
nicely, beautifully, you have explained okay, how we should handle that.
Right,
When
sir.
like you attended our face-to-face lecture, followed by you attended our live lectures on e-medicos. What was the experience with the live online learning on e-medicos in the lockdown period?
So I was a TND student, and the lockdown began, and it was difficult because I had been attending offline TND classes, and then turned to online. But the good part was that in a way our continuity was maintained. So we did not lose out on time because that is very precious during internship. So we could continue what we were doing. Our studies kept on going according to schedule, and that was important in finishing our revision and further revisions before the exam. So the continuity part was very important because that was made possible by online.
That's great, Peter. So you have like attended our face-to-face as well as our online platform eMedicos. How you compare like these two different platforms of learning?
So the charm of offline and face-to-face teaching cannot be compared to online platforms. But still, you have to take into consideration the situation around and do the best possible out of it, make the best possible out of it. So I think according to that, everybody, the teachers, the students, everybody adapted to it. And we had glitches always, but then everybody in the end trying to complete and live up to the schedule and make it to the best possible lecture possible. Also, we had we could have longer lectures at home, so we had more information uh, provided by the teachers into our notes.
So what I'm getting from your words, the way the dance family, dance faculty adapted from the face-to-face to
Right,
online.
right.
So
Yeah.
even as a
It's
educator, I
commendable,
feel
sir.
even I, as an educator, I feel it should be taken as a motivation for everyone,
Yes,
every teacher
right,
should
sir.
take it as a
Right,
motivation.
sir.
The way we
Right,
people
sir.
adapted from the face to face, and how like you attended our live lecture. So did you find any difference, ke, like, the way we were teaching you standing in front of, and then you were attending on
Mhm.
e-medicals live interaction? So what was the, you can say if you compare?
So the presence of teacher in the classroom makes a difference with respect to discipline. But still, I would say the teachers tried their best to involve everybody possible in the online class because it gets tiring to sit in front of a screen. And but still, it was made innovative. The jokes were still around. The classes were still the same way, and we could do it at a comfort of our hostels and with our duties also. That made a huge difference.
That make. difference. Agreed, beta. And that last 1.5 year was very difficult for everybody. This COVID scenario,
Yes.
and even
Right, sir.
even under such a big pressure, beta, you cracked this rank 24. I again congrats you, your family for such an awesome achievement, beta.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
What I'm getting from your words, like we should start as early as possible and we should write our
Right,
own notes so that we can get our ample time. Like you attended our T&D session, along with
right.
your class notes, our your foundation course with T&D. You must have attended our AIMS COVID capsule. What was the role of
Yes.
AIMS COVID capsule in your success journey, Vidya?
Sir, INICET is, it's very important to do the AIMS capsule because it contains all the important topics which have been asked in the last 3 years or 3 or 4 years, and not just AIMS but PGI and ZIPMER also. So even if you miss certain papers, previous year papers of JIPMER and PGI, you can still cover those topics from the COVID capsule, the AIMS capsule, which also includes the COVID capsule. That was a real treat because COVID has, it's a very dynamic topic. So you have, a variety of sources giving you various updates. So it's better to have a dignified source which you can trust at such a time for your exam. So it was a good combination. I would recommend it as a must watch before a Central Institute exam paper.
And then, better like you attended our AIMS COVID capsule, followed by DVT, that was a major revision session.
Yeah,
That both
right,
sessions were in an integrated way. Now, I want to
right,
ask you, like, we people adapted from the old pattern to the new pattern of integrating the things, and we taught you
right,
everything in an integrated fashion over the last six to
right,
seven months. What was the
right.
role of those integrated learning in your success?
Sir, the pattern is changing, and if we change according to that, our results automatically improve. And that is how DVT was a major step in that. It was the first thing, first of its kind to integrate everything. All the platforms later came up with the same idea. So DVT was first of its kind, and
Was the
it came at a
innovation?
very nice. It came at a very nice time just before the November INICET. So we had an opportunity to revise a lot of ground, cover a lot of ground very quickly. So you can do that just in the last week and be very confident about your preparation.
So, better like the way we taught you everything in the DVT, the MCQs we have given you in the DVT segment, when you appear for the INICT, if you compare with the MCQs of your TND, test and discussion, followed by DVT, even DVT, we discuss the topic in form of an integrated MCQ.
Yeah,
So,
right.
if you compare with the level of MCQs they ask you in INICT, so after appearing for TND and DVT, was the INICT was a cakewalk for you?
So this year's INA was a bit atypical, like the July session. There were a lot of one-liners. It was not expected, but still the concepts which were covered there. The thing is, DVT covers such high-yield areas that many of them were actually there in the exam. So you become extremely confident when you see those questions that yes, I've read that and I can convert this question into a positive mark. And you have revised that just prior to the exam in an integrated fashion. So makes it easy to analyze even if an image comes up or it comes as a multiple option type. You can handle the question however it is asked.
So now, like better after attending DVT and your TND test and discussion, you appeared for our CBT. How was the like you compared the level of MCQs we asked you in the CBT? Again, when you had the experience of CBT, how it played the role in your success?
So CBT is it's very similar to the actual exam process. It's not extremely difficult, but it's not easy also, and that is how the actual exam is. And I've been giving CBTs for the last 1.5 year. So all of them have been really good. Like all the exams have been really good, and that is how it compares to the actual exam. It's very similar. The pattern is very similar. You do not have ifs and buts in that.
So beta, I and like you appeared for CBT examination. I'm coming on the MCQ segment. You appeared for the last CBT. What was your rank in last CBT beta?
Sir, it was around 50. I don't remember the exact figure. Around 50, like 40 or 50, something like that.
What it is. So you get the impression that yeah, I'm somewhere I'm getting in the central institutes,
Right,
I'm
sir.
going to
Right,
get a rank top 100. So how
right,
you manage in the last spell, like I'm talking about the last 2 months, what was your
right,
strategy before going for INICT? Because paper was getting postponed every time. So
right,
what was
right.
the mindset before appearing for the INICT?
So because the paper was postponed, postponed once in between. So I had a strategy of 4 weeks, like 4 weeks and 4 weeks. So I planned to finish one revision each in one cycle. Like first 20 days, I finished another revision. Yeah, back on connection, sir.
Yeah, there was some, I think, issue on your side. Can you repeat, beta? What was your strategy in the last 2 months before INICT when the exam was getting postponed?
So the exam got postponed once, so we had 2 periods of 28 days each. So I plan to finish one extra revision in each 28 days. Along with that, I finished that revision with a review of DVT so that I could revise in an integrated manner. And I also did the previous year MCQs of last 3 years of PGI, ZIPMER, and AIMS. And then retrogradely, I revised the topics which were most frequently asked there into my notes again. So I was better prepared with the frequently asked questions just before the exam. Then I repeated this process because the exam was postponed. Again, the same process before the final exam actually happened.
Like exam was postponed and there was a big pressure of COVID. So what I felt like before going for the INICT, a strong mindset was required because it was postponed for everyone. Everybody was on the
Right,
same platform. So
right,
what I feel a
right.
strong mindset is required for getting all these appearing for all central institutes. And what you have done nicely, you revise, you have taken that opportunity to revise it again. That's great, beta.
Yes,
You didn't waste the time. Better you revise the topic. Now, beta, you appeared
yes.
for Grand Test, SWT. How you compare again level of the MCQs we are asking you in GTs, SWT, and DEMS Q Bank?
So I think the question bank is good for regular practice. If you're reading a particular topic, or you want to revise a particular topic through MCQs again retrograde, you can go for that topic in QBank. I think the clinical vignette part of the QBank and the image-based question part of the QBank that was helpful because many such questions were asked in the actual exam. The SWTs, I think I did more of them during my early preparation phase when I was actually covering the subjects for the first and second time. And GTs was like I can't emphasize enough for the importance of GTs. I started giving GTs I think 2 years back, so I've been giving them consistently at regular intervals, and then increase the frequency as the exam approaches. And it is even more important to analyze what you have done in the GT, so that you can consistently improve your score towards a better rank.
I'll be taking your feedback on this GT. Like you appear for GT consistently for last 2 years. So somewhere
Right,
in
sir.
few of the GTs, your performance was not up to the mark. So
Right, sir.
how you manage that setback? Like I'm not getting good rank. Like in CBT, you
Yes.
got the rank top 50, but somewhere in GT, if your rank was on the lower side, so how you manage that mindset?
Sir, I would, Deepthi ma'am would say that do not focus on the rank too much. What I would do is I would just focus at my score. That
Score.
my score should increase every time from the past exam, right? At least 3 or 4 increment of correct questions per GT. So that was my target. I did not want to go over the ranks because the ranks might or might not reflect your actual performance. But then the score should increase. So I would identify those topics which I was doing consistently wrong, my weak subjects, and I would read them again, lay special emphasis on them so that I don't make the same mistakes again.
It's great, Peter. We are proud to share to have rank 24 with us on this platform, and we
Thank you so much.
congratulate you for your family for this awesome success. But
Thank you so much, sir.
at last, I will be asking you what was the role of DAMS family, like how the all faculties taught you, how they motivate you, and what is the role of this motivation in the last 2 to 3 years?
Sir, just PG preparation and writing notes and everything it's not, it's very, I would say it's very, it can be very mundane if you go just along that. But whenever the teachers came to the class, there were always, intervening sections of motivation packed into it. You would never, during the 12 hours class, you will never feel dull about it. So that kept us going through the 12 hours class 3 or 4 days in a row, so that we could, meaningfully imbibe whatever is being taught. And then even during the online classes, that same motivation was kept along. I remember the DVT session also. Everybody after every session they were, trying to motivate all of us that each of us perform better and can maintain our concentration into the next session.
Next session. That's great. And even
So
at the
it
DVD
has been like a journey, sir. Everybody nurturing us slowly into finally the exam.
those
Very
7 days,
grateful to the families.
those 7 days of DVD, even we can't forget, because it was
Right, sir.
it was being like it was very difficult for us to give the same performance of DVD on this online platform. And what I feel now retrospectively, like every faculty have given better performance if we compare with the
Right,
last DVD with this
right,
integrated.
sir. Yeah, right, sir.
So
Right, sir.
I will be using this platform again. For in the last, I will be asking you just few words to motivate all the juniors who are listening to you from your college as well as across the country. Just what should be the strategy in the upcoming days for the upcoming NEET examination, because paper was atypical. So like those students who couldn't perform well in INICT, any special message for those students?
I think INA exam is you can prepare up to a point, and then there's a big role of luck to play because the seats are very less. So do not carry the baggage of your INA CT into the NEET exam. uh, NEET is a very, it's a much larger exam, more seats at stake. So it's very sensible to start afresh, not thinking about INICET. And being consistent is the key. It is always the key. You just have to focus again on your class notes, they are gold standard. And keep practicing MCQs. Go in an integrated fashion because now just a month is left to NEET. Just almost a month is left. So try to focus on your weak areas. Do look at the last year papers, uh, because then you can go retrograde to those particular topics if you are weak at it. But do not worry too much about INICET, and do not keep your baggage. That is what I want to emphasize into the NEET exam. It's a much bigger exam, much more seats at stake.
That's very true, and we should take it like if our performance was not good now, I should give the best performance in my
Right,
upcoming meeting. That's very
right.
true. Thanks a lot for coming on this platform, sharing your success journey with us, and we wish
Thank,
you the very best of
thank you,
luck.
sir.
And we pray you will be you must get